I never introduced myself to you. My name is Minnie. Yeah. I never told you my name. Nice to meet you.
Can you say woo? Wait, can you say woo?
What did you bring in from outside, huh? Get a stick? Yes, it is.
No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad.
Rowdy, I got bad news for you. Robert's eat your food. Rowdy, I got bad news for you. Robert's eat your food.
Who's a good boy? Did you hear about the neighbor? Sugar dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay?